Long ago, there lived three thieves in a town. All three were experts in their own way. One was good at opening locks, the second was good at forgery, and the third was good with his knife. Once they looked a house and escaped with a booty. Due to heavy vigilance, they were not able to encash the jewels and precious stones, so they took the booty to a dense shrub and buried it under a jasmine plant so that it would be easy to identify while returning from the shrub. They felt hungry. They decided that one would go to the town and get something to eat. One of them left for town. The other two started a heavy discussion. They thought, if we are ready with the heavy stick, when the third man returns from town, we can kill him. Then it would be enough to divide the booty into two parts. Meanwhile, the one who had been to town thought, if I mix some poison in the food, the other two would eat the poisoned food and die. Then all the booty will be mine. So he mixed poison in the food and took him to the others. When he returns, the other two were ready with heavy stick. They beat him to death. Now they ate the food and else they too died.